Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to scan a QR code in the Viber app. Scanning QR codes in Viber is useful for adding contact, linking devices, or joining groups securely. So let's get started. First, open the Viber app in your smartphone. Make sure that you are logged in so you can access all of the Viber's features, including the QR scanner. Once you're in the app, look for the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it to open your setting and options menu. In the More menu, you will see a small QR code icon next to your profile picture or username. Tap on this icon to access the QR scanner. Now, hold your phone up to the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code fits within the scanner frame on your screen. Viber will automatically detect and scan the codes as soon as it's in focus. Once the QR code is scanned, Viber will show the action based on the type of code. And that's it. You've successfully scanned the QR code in Viber. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if there are other tutorials you would like to see. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.